Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum. I'm going to be unboxing the new OnePlus 15. Now it's the successor to the 13, but in Chinese culture the 4 is unlucky, so they don't call it the 14, they call it the 15. So this is a bit before the launch, so I don't have a lot of details outside of it. Outside I can tell you that it is 512 gigs of RAM, it has 16 gigs of storage. But I don't know the pricing as of yet. I'll update as I find out. Oh, that was ripped already. I could have done those. Okay. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, so we got standard little booklets of stuff. We got a little USB-C A adapter in there. Some homework. Yeah, okay. Okay, cool. We got that stuff. A phone, obviously. What else we got in here? Let's see. Open up. Oh, and you're kidding me. Yes, it does come with one of their VOOC chargers, so that's always good. A neat little place for the SIM puller. Looks like a decent size amount of cable too. So that's the thing. Like, a lot of these don't come with a lot of cable. They don't come with a lot of chargers. So yeah. Okay. So, anyways, let's open this up and see what it looks like. It definitely feels more chunky. Like, it's a thick buddy. Now that being said, I mean, compare that to this. With the case on, it feels chunky. Let me just take this case off. Undo the case. It's been a while since I've had the case off. It's about the same thickness as the OnePlus 13. Definitely thicker, but like there's got a little bezel to the back of it, so it makes it. This is definitely more square. So that'd be interesting to see some of the stats on what you get out of, because it is bigger. That the camera sensor is definitely more space, but round, I prefer the square versus the round. That being said, the round does really, make it noticeable to those out there when you have it. So that's going to be the device. I'll look forward to giving it a shot and try. And if you have any questions, give me a shout. Thanks.